Hi, welcome to Carlton University. Carlton University is located in Ottawa, the capital city of Canada. It's not only the heart of government, but it's also the heart of the high-tech sector within Canada. By North American standards, Ottawa is a mid-sized city. In terms of population, it's just a little over 1 million. So it's very small by Bangkok standards, but very large for North American standards. And of course, Ottawa is a very picturesque city. It has 4 distinct seasons, lots of beautiful architecture, waterways, rivers, and canals that weave their way through the city. It's very bicycle friendly and an extraordinarily safe city. I've had the privilege of working at Carleton University as an admissions officer for over 15 years. And I've also had the privilege of visiting Thailand for most of those years, approximately 13 or 14 years I've been coming to Thailand. And it's actually my home away from home. I would love to welcome Thai students to Ottawa, where you'll feel right at home as well. At Carleton University, we actually have 2 distinct business programs. We have the Bachelor of Commerce, where you'll find 6 different majors, things like entrepreneurship, marketing, finance, and more. And within the Bachelor of Commerce program, you'll also have the privilege of working in your industry, in your field, as you're earning your degree through co-op opportunities. The other degree that Carleton University has associated with business is the Bachelor of International Business, which requires students to study their 3rd year of their degree in another country. And it really will help students to learn more about the world of international business, as well as to learn a new language, so that they can work in the field of international business more effectively. Bachelor of Computer Science at Carleton University is one of our strongest programs due to the ties we have to the industry, which is based right in Ottawa. As I mentioned, Ottawa is the Silicon Valley of the North. It is the heart of the high-tech sector in Canada. So Carleton University is very strong in computer science, where students can study 8 different majors, including computer game development and things of that nature. But we also have a separate Bachelor of Cybersecurity, which is quite new and something we're very excited about. Of course, all of the majors within computer science allow students to work in their industry as well. You'll often hear me talking about the co-op opportunities at Carleton University, because Carleton University has the fastest growing co-op program in all of Canada. And we currently have the 5th largest co-op program in all of Canada and the 3rd largest within the province of Ontario. One of Carleton University's strongest programs is the Faculty of Engineering, the Bachelor of Engineering, where students can pursue 14 different specializations, everything from aerospace engineering, which is a P-Eng program, as well as mechanical engineering, sustainable and renewable energy engineering, and so much more. Almost all of these majors at Carleton University go all the way up to the PhD as well. Carleton actually has the oldest school of aerospace engineering in all of Canada. All of our engineering degrees are also professional engineering degrees, allowing students to work as an engineer in their field after they earn their degree. Carleton also has a very strong Faculty of Science. There are many majors students can pursue within the Faculty of Science, everything from psychology and nanoscience to the life sciences, such as biology, biochemistry, biotechnology, and bioinformatics. But we also have a separate Bachelor of Health Science. So if students are wanting to get into the field of medicine in the future, they can certainly pursue biomedical sciences within the Bachelor of Health Sciences, or many other majors within the Faculty of Science. We also have a Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences at Carleton University, and that's what I'm a graduate of, a 2-time graduate of the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences. That is where students will earn degrees in fields such as psychology, or anthropology, or history, geography, English literature, and so much more. And this is a great program for students that may not be as mathematically inclined as other students may be. They say there are 3 types of people in the world, those that can do math and those that can't. That's a little math joke. So if you're one of those students that isn't very strong in math, there's certainly lots of opportunities for you at Carleton University, including within the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences. Beautiful, diverse, and accessible. I look forward to welcoming you to Carleton University, or as we like to say, I look forward to see you at CU.